What if I told you that you can make cool cash by just offering services to Nigerian filmmakers on YouTube, even without touching a camera or being one of their cast? So in this video, I'm going to show you some hot business opportunities that you can tap into right now, even with just your phone or laptop. Services have very high demands in the industry, and trust me, people are cashing out quietly from this hot opportunity. Nollywood is massive, but what a lot of people don't know is that there is a whole YouTube economy growing behind it. So if you're loving this and you're very serious about making money, but it looks like you're stuck, you really do not know how to go about it or what to do, I've created something very powerful for you. It is called the 7 Days Business Idea Hunt. This is a free challenge where I walk you through on how to find, filter and choose a perfect business idea in just 1 week. This is a very practical business work step where you will get a clarity like never before. So all you have to do is click the link in the description box below. It is 100% free, and trust me, this is going to save you from all the confusion that you'll be having about starting a business, especially the first step that has to do with choosing a perfect business idea. Like I said, it is totally free. Do not miss it for anything. You see, every day a lot of filmmakers, both beginners and professionals, upload their works on YouTube. But guess what? Many of them need help in doing these things. These filmmakers are always looking for marketers, channel managers, editors, poster designers, researchers, and even community managers. And the good news is that you do not even need to be a professional filmmaker to offer these services to them. So now, let's get into the services that you can actually offer these filmmakers and make your money from the comfort of your home. So number 1 on my list is community management, right? You know, these are our filmmakers, our actors, our actresses. They have a lot of channels, like they have a lot of pages. They have on TikTok, they have on Facebook, they have on Instagram, they have on YouTube, they even have WhatsApp channels. And this is why most times it's very overwhelming for them to engage across all these channels. Another reason why they are always on the look for community managers is because apart from being filmmakers, actors and actresses, they also have their own personal businesses. They also have their own personal life. I know a lot of actors and actresses that have personal businesses aside filmmaking and all of that. This is why they are always looking for community managers. And if you can offer this service to them, trust me, you are going to be making cool money from this. All you have to do is go to their pages. Do not DM them. Do not DM them. They always have an email address where you can actually reach out. So you use that email address to send your outreach messages to them. If you know that you are a good community manager or you will make a good community manager, please start reaching out to these filmmakers. Number 2 on my list is my most favorite, and that is research analysis. See guys, you see this particular one, this one is something that they will definitely buy into, because if you go to them with the promise that with this particular service their channel is going to grow because you're going to be doing some kind of research from bigger channels to see what they are doing, and you're going to be giving them the result and all of that, trust me guys, they are definitely going to subscribe to this particular service. Of course, you know that there is a high competition among these filmmakers on YouTube, right? They really want to grow their channels, and we can see that they are really putting in the works. Do you understand? And trust me, growing on YouTube is not so easy like that. There are people that are getting it right, like there are people that it comes so easy for them, and there are people that are struggling, just the way normal content creators on YouTube are also struggling, while some people are getting it so easy. So it's also applicable to these filmmakers, and that is where this service come in. So your work is to research on the top 10 best performing YouTube channels, the top 20 best performing YouTube channel, and just know how to do these things, package this service and pitch them. Three on my list is promotion service. And what do I mean by promotion service? Remember back then in Nollywood where we used to have Andy Okeke Don Kilamo, number 1 Opiweka, Kiniko, you know, that marketing Opiweka and all those things. those are their marketers and promoters. Do you get? But because now we have the internet, we have the social medias, so we no longer hear number one Opiweka streets, where all those, you know, all those lines they normally say. And so now you are going to offer them a promotion service, and in this promotion service what you do is to promote their movie. And now, how do you offer this service to them? So you, as a promotion service provider, you are going to use one, WhatsApp TV. You will need to learn how to build WhatsApp TV, or a Telegram TV is where people can go and view these things. Do you understand? Having a WhatsApp TV is very important for this, because by the time you build a WhatsApp TV around entertainment content, trust me, you are going to make good money from it, because the time they drop their movie and you post it there from your channel, people are going to see that so movie has dropped, and they will go and subscribe to those channels. Secondly, you use social media. You are going to have dedicated social media pages for this service, where it is strictly for movie promotions for our filmmakers. You can build an audience using email marketing. You can build a very big community using email marketing. Using email marketing is also a very good way for you to offer this promotion service for these filmmakers. So it is very advisable that you have so many promotion channels that you can use to offer this service. So when you pitch them and you're showing them how you're going to promote their movies, I will subscribe to this service. Number 4 and the last on my list is the YouTube SEO and analytics support. Of course, we know that the YouTube SEO and analytics is very essential for growth and visibility on YouTube. So that is why this service is very important for them as well. Many of them are struggling with this, and many of them are not so tech savvy. Many of them are not so digitally, you know, informed like that, even though they see it, but some of them is not their thing, but they really want to make money. This is where you offer this service to them. So you help them to do these things, boost their channels, increase their visibilities, and also improve their channel growth as well. So offering them YouTube SEO and analytics support is a very good way of making money. So guys, these are the 4 most high in demand services that you can offer to Nigerian filmmakers on YouTube and make your cool cash from the comfort of your home. So I hope you find this video very helpful. Please make sure you subscribe and stay notified. Also share and like as well. Thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.